Hi, I'm Talking Tom Cat 2 live stream. Here we go. In 2011, Talking Tom 2 free is app on Android store. So yeah, let me know I can try another one. Okay, knock knock. Who's there? How? How who? How are you doing here? Knock knock. Who's there? Heck. Heck who? Heck is that? Knock knock. Who's there? Cat. Cat who? Cat's shooting something. Gun. Knock knock. There. Bro. Bro who? Bro yourself. Knock knock. Who's there? Bed. Bed who? Bed you gonna go it with the race car? Knock knock. Who's there? Who? Yourself. Knock knock. Who's there? Cats. Cats who? Cats a drug. Knock knock. Who's there? Robots. Robots who? Robots go to Universal Studios Florida. Knock knock. Who's there? Birds. Birds who? Birds can see wherever they zoo. Knock knock. Who's there? Who's there? Hey. Hey who? Hey, you look like express. Knock knock. Who's there? Docs. Docs who? Docs his name is Ben. Knock knock. Who's there? iPhone. iPhone who? Knock knock. Who's there? Hey. Hey who? Hey, what are you doing here? Knock knock. Who's there? Ninja. Ninja who? Ninja yourself from the sun, the samurai warrior swords. Knock knock. Who's there? Knock knock. Who's there? Lionsgate. Lionsgate who? Lionsgate from the locals. Knock knock. Who's there? Hey. Hey who? Hey, I'd like to go to Universal Studios Florida. Knock knock. Who's there? Bumblebee. Bumblebee. Bumblebee who? Bumblebee frequented the Oriental film called Transformers, Dark of the Moon. Knock knock. Who's there? Bird. Bird who? Bird, you can go to the house where you want to do it. Knock knock. Knock knock. Who's there? Bro, Ada, and friends. Bro, Ada, and friends, and who? Bro, Ada, and friends can go to and watch on TV on Smile on TV channel 52.3. Knock knock. Who's there? Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving who? Thanksgiving go to turkey, right, or I go to sports section. Knock knock. Who's there? Halloween. Halloween who? Halloween can see the ghosts to costumes like Ninja or others, Transformers, and Spider-Man. Knock knock. Who's there? Hal. Hal who? Hal yourself. Knock knock. Who's there? Otto. Otto who? Otto is my favorite character. Knock knock. Who's there? Ada. Ada who? Ada is my favorite girlfriend. Knock knock. Who's there? Orlando. Orlando who? Orlando is my favorite Disney World or Universal Studios Florida. Knock knock. Who's there? Megabee. Megabee who? Transformers. And that's the end of Knock Knock Jokes. Hey, welcome back to Talkie Tom 2 is back. So, I can see the dog. Awkward. I saw the dog in the window. Hang on, that's a minute, hold on. Oh, no. Here we go again. That's funny. That's it for now, and bye. I'll be right back in this story. Oh. Hey, watch out. Gonna hurt a while. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me talk about this. Okay, I'm going to play a game on your PSP called Play Dream Create. Jak and Daxter, Ratchet and Clank, Daxter, and much, much more. Tired of this crap. Oh well, just go ahead and we'll be right back after these messages. Stay. Okay, guys, I'm back. Freaking out. Welcome back and hello everyone. I am talking Tomcat 2 live stream. So yeah, I can comment and subscribe or YouTube. So I can use the iPhone from the poster Peter. Postman Pat is my favorite on BBC in 1997. Freddy Cat was in 1973, says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ha! I can't stop for a ringtone. Please help me. Okay, I'm sorry about that. The technical difficulties. When I come back, I'll skip ahead. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me show you how to work, and I'll see you next time. And we'll see you after this break. I warn you, you have about 5 minutes left for top the tablet. 5 minutes left to go. I warn you. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me tell you, I can build the Simpsons right. Bart Simpson, Lisa, and other Barts. Homer, and more. So yeah, I can continue on this part. What happened? They get it. What is the favorite movie? Song of the Sea. The Susha and finally Ben while the sailboat on the ship while the grandma is angry. Okay, I'm going to go. I'm going to show you how to use Cut Video Editor and stay tuned after the final ending. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm talking Tomcat 2 live stream. So I gotta go, so comment and subscribe, and God bless you all for you in Jesus, Jerusalem. Amen. Stay tuned. Bye.